Next, we perform emergency equipment. So for the emergency equipment, we have to mention 3 items. Number 1 is my 10 BC fire extinguisher. Mention it is fully charged, properly mounted, up to date. The second emergency item is your 3 reflective triangles. Make sure you locate them where they are in your truck or ask your instructor. Inspect the box. The triangle box is not cracked or damaged. Properly mounted, it is in a good condition. And my triangles, 3 reflective triangles, are not cracked or damaged, and they're in good condition. The third emergency item that we will mention is your spare fuses. Simply say, my truck is equipped with the circuit breakers. I do not need any spare fuses. Now, after you finish your 3 emergency equipment, make sure you put a check mark next to the emergency equipment.